Embark on a journey with us as we uncover the myriad of health benefits hidden in the spiraling depths of spirulina, nature's microscopic marvel. Hey there, wellness enthusiasts! Welcome back to Natural Solutions and Cures, your go-to spot for all things healthy and supercharged. If you're on a quest for the ultimate superfood, spirulina is a game changer. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more health wisdom, and let's grow together. Spirulina, a blue-green alga, has graced our diet for centuries, treasured by ancient cultures for its health-boosting properties. Fast forward to today, and science is just beginning to scratch the surface of its potential. This vibrant alga is a nutrient powerhouse. Just a single tablespoon delivers protein, vitamins B1, B2, B3, copper, iron, and a plethora of other essential nutrients our bodies crave. Complete with all essential amino acids, it's one of the few plant heroes out there that boast a full protein profile. This makes spirulina not just food, but a superfood. At its core is phycocyanin, an antioxidant superhero that fights free radicals and may suppress inflammation, potentially keeping chronic diseases at bay. The wonders of spirulina extend to heart health, where it plays a role in lowering bad cholesterol and triglycerides, while giving a helpful nudge up to the good cholesterol levels. If you dread the change of seasons because of allergies, spirulina could become your natural ally, combating the sniffles and sneezes associated with allergic rhinitis. For the fitness aficionados, spirulina's calling card might just be its ability to enhance muscle strength and boost endurance. That means more gains, less fatigue, and better performance. And let's talk about anemia. This blue-green alga could help those red blood cells flourish thanks to its rich iron content, which is especially crucial for the elderly and those with dietary restrictions. Beyond muscles and endurance, spirulina stands guard, reinforcing your immune system, preparing it to ward off invaders and maintain your health. Incorporating spirulina into your daily routine is a breeze. Blend it in your smoothies, sprinkle on your salads, or if you're always on the go, a tablet might just do the trick. Let's put things into perspective. When compared to other sources of nutrients, spirulina stands out with its impressive protein quality, vast array of vitamins and minerals, and beneficial antioxidants. Remember, though spirulina is powerful, it's not a magic cure-all. Always talk to a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your supplement regimen, particularly if you have pre-existing health conditions.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos on natural solutions and cures.